Welcome to ServiceNow Gyan. In this session, we will talk about roles of HRSD application and will also see what are the different kind of client roles available for HRSD application. ServiceNow uses roles to allow access to data and application. For example, only authorized HR personnel are allowed to view your personal data, like your beneficiaries, medical insurance, home addresses. ServiceNow HR Service Delivery application prevents users outside of the HR organization from accessing your personal or confidential HR data. When we activate the HR applications, roles are automatically created by the system. Like for lifecycle event or performance analytics, ServiceNow has provided different roles to access data and application. In HRSD application, roles can be categorized in two ways. The first one is HR core roles and the second one is client roles. So let's talk about few important core HR roles of HRSD application. Now let's talk about few important core HR roles of HRSD application. I have already opened uh, the important roles that is for HRSD application. The first one is HR admin, that is sn underscore HR underscore core dot admin. HR admins can configure and maintain the human resource applications that includes HR services, templates, integrations, and employee service center content. In simple language, they can perform all configurations and customization activities related to HR service delivery. Now the second one is HR basic, sn underscore HR underscore core dot basic. HR basic role is used by HR agents to perform daily HR activities such as HR case creation, HR profile creation, provide resolution for general inquiries, or assisting employees with their questions about careers, performance management, and other requests. The third one is HR manager, that is sn underscore HR underscore core dot manager. HR managers monitor and measure the effectiveness of HR in supporting employees throughout the organization. They have access to all HR cases, HR profiles, secure information like salary, medical insurance, and so on. They also consult with upper management regularly on strategic planning for the organization. Now let's talk about the second one, that is client roles of HR service delivery. Client roles are used to control what HR functionalities will be available for employee, or we can put it like that, client roles are used to grant the employee full access to specific parts of the HR system. They can't access full functionality of HRSD application. For example, employees or workers that are not part of the HR organization will not have an HR role. Instead, when their HR profile is created with their employment start date and employment type, the system automatically assigns them a client role. We will see it practically in upcoming video how to auto assign client role with the help of client role assignment module. ServiceNow has provided 10 predefined client roles out of the box. The client roles with HRSM in their name allow access to the platform, while the client roles with HRSP in their name allows access to the employee service center. So with the help of these client roles, you can identify the type of employees. Like it is mentioned contractor here. So if you will see the description, it's saying that grants role to the employee who works as a contractor. So if in your organization a person is working as a contractor, you can assign that particular role to that user. or if a person is working as a temporary basis, you can assign the HRSM underscore contingent role to that particular person.